Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Chock the trailer wheels on both sides to prevent any rolling while you work. Use a jack rated for the trailer weight and lift the axle until the wheel clears the ground. Place 2 jack stands under the axle housing for solid support and never rely on the jack alone. Remove the wheel lug nuts using a cross pattern and then remove the wheel to expose the hub assembly. Keep lug nuts organized and wear safety glasses during the procedure. Remove the cotter pin from the spindle castle nut and then back off the spindle nut. Slide the hub straight off the spindle and remove the outer bearing and seal carefully. Pull the inner bearing and race from the hub using a driver if needed. Clean all bearings, races, and the hub with a part solvent until there is no old grease remaining. Inspect bearings and races for pitting, scoring, or discoloration that indicates overheating and replace any damaged parts immediately. Pack each bearing thoroughly using a grease packing tool or by hand until grease appears between rollers and cage. Install the inner bearing and seal into the hub, then slide the hub onto the spindle and insert the outer bearing. Tighten the spindle nut to establish proper preload, then back off and red-iton to the manufacturer spec, commonly 60 ft-pounds for 1-inch spindles. Install a new cotter pin, replace the dust cap, and torque wheel lug nuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.